In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to install our 12x24 Loafing Shed Kit. All the panels have a top portion and a bottom portion. You'll have two panels that have a flat top like this one, and you'll have two that have a slope like this one. Go ahead and use the included Allen bolt hardware to connect them together at the bungs. Lay the panels down flat. This will help you get everything straight. You may need to leave one side hand tight and then go back to the other side and fully tighten it down. Sometimes it helps if you put a block of wood underneath one of the panels. Once you have all the tops and bottoms connected, go ahead and stand up the panels and clamp them all together with the included panel clamps. See how the slopes go on the sides? You will have all the flat tops along the back and the slopes on the sides. You'll want to go back around and tighten down the Allen bolts a little more. You want to make sure they're fully tightened and fully straight, otherwise the tops of the shelter panels will bow out a little bit. If your shelter panels come out a little bit bowed, just go ahead and throw like a ratchet strap around them, suck them together, and when you attach the purlins, they'll stay straight for you. You can go around now and start bolting on the C-channel mounts. Just leave one of them off so you can put the boards in easily. The size of the wood boards that we use for this demonstration are 2x8s, and to see the lengths that we use, go ahead and look at the product page on our website or see the video description. This piece right here is called the ground post. This is what's going to anchor down the loafing shed during strong winds. So before you install the purlins in the roof panels, you're going to want to dig two holes under each shelter panel on the sides, just like this. And so how you install these is the included cap will slide over the bottom rail of the shelter panel, then you just bolt it down with the included hardware like this. And we'll add the concrete at the very end. Before you install the purlins, we recommend that you measure diagonally from corner to corner and make sure that the measurements are both the same. This will ensure that your panels are nice and square and that your roof goes on straight. We recommend using two 8-foot ladders to get the Z-purlins up there. Once you get them up there, you'll go ahead and just screw them into the tops of the shelter panels. There's a little vertical upright sticking up right there. The Z-purlin will screw right into that with the same self-tapping screws that you'll use for the roof panels. Here's another demonstration. So you see the vertical upright, screw a couple into the upright, and then also screw a couple into that square tubing you see right there too. The Z-purlins are 25 foot long, so they'll stick out about 6 inches on each side of the loafing shed. Now it's time to start installing the roof panels. You'll go ahead and start throwing them up there. You can have someone on the roof screwing them down. Just be careful, use safety, and go ahead and slide the next roof panel underneath the previous panel. You'll screw in a self-tapping screw in between each of the ridges, and you'll also put one right here, 10 to 10 on the overlap. And it's up to you how far out past you let the PBR stick out past the purlins. You can see on this side it sticks out a few inches. If you do this, you're gonna have to cut off some of the excess on the other side. A little trick for this is to actually lay down the roof panels flat on the ground first. Get a measurement of how much width you have. That way you know where to start your first roof panel to get the amount of overhang you want on the sides. And if you do all these steps, your loafing shed should look something like this. And if you do get stuck on any of the steps, just go ahead and give us a call. Don't be that dad at Home Depot that's scared to ask where the socket wrenches are. We'll gladly walk you through any steps. Just give us a call and we'll gladly help you out. This is our 12x24 Loafing Shed Kit.